In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a dot between two words in Microsoft Word. If you want to place a dot or centered symbol between two words or characters in a Microsoft Word document, you can easily do this using the symbol option. This can be useful when you want to separate two pieces of text with a centered dot instead of using a regular period or another punctuation mark. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert the dot. For this example, let's use two simple characters, Y and Z. Place your cursor directly between the two characters, exactly where you want the dot to appear. Once your cursor is in the correct position, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Insert tab, look for the Symbols section. Click on Symbol to open the available symbol options. From the menu, select More Symbols. This will open the Symbol dialog box, where you can browse through many different characters and special symbols. In the Symbol dialog box, make sure the font is set to normal text. This allows you to view the standard symbols available with the current text font. Next, look for the Subset option and select Latin 1 Supplement. This section contains a variety of additional characters and symbols that you can use in your document. Now, look through the available symbols until you find the dot that you want to place between your two words or characters. Once you find the appropriate dot symbol, select it. If you want the dot to appear larger or smaller, you can adjust its size before inserting it by changing the font size. After selecting the dot and adjusting its size if necessary, click Insert. Microsoft Word will now place the dot exactly where your cursor was positioned between the two characters. For example, if you started with Y and Z, the result will have the dot positioned between them. You can use the same method whenever you need to insert this type of symbol between words, letters, or other text. Using the symbol menu is helpful because it gives you access to many characters that may not be available directly from your keyboard. You can also use the same dialog box whenever you need to find other special symbols for your document. Before finishing, check the spacing around the dot and make sure it appears correctly between the two pieces of text. If necessary, you can adjust the font size to make the symbol match the surrounding text. And that's how you can insert a dot between two words in Microsoft Word using the symbol option. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,